In this video, you'll learn how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting in just a few minutes, so you can save important conversations and share them with your team for later review. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and join the meeting you want to record. Make sure you have the necessary permissions, since recording is usually limited to organizers and presenters in Microsoft Teams settings. Next, once you're in the meeting, click on the More Actions button in the meeting toolbar. It looks like 3 dots, and it'll open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your meeting. Now, from the drop-down menu, click Start Recording. Microsoft Teams will notify all participants that the meeting is being recorded, ensuring transparency and compliance with privacy rules in your organization or country. After that, the recording will continue automatically until you stop it. To stop, click More Actions again and select Stop Recording. The video will be processed and saved automatically to OneDrive or SharePoint. Once the recording is processed, you can find it in the meeting chat or directly in your OneDrive or SharePoint folder. From there, you can share, download, or edit the recording according to your team's needs. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams meeting is now recorded, ready to be shared and reviewed at any time.